Excess earwax can cause different kinds of hearing problems like partial hearing loss and other conditions such as otitis media and externa. Symptoms like itching and pain in the ear can be so unpleasant that they can make you interrupt your activities, affecting your daily life. Fortunately, we have an easy solution: Wolfson Earwax Removal. Wolfson Earwax Removal is the best toolkit at what it does. It cleans your ear canal thoroughly for a lasting relief. Our toolkit is 100% safe for adults and kids. Wolfson Earwax Removal Tool only needs simple water with safe amount of hydrogen peroxide to against the buildup, which is safer than ordinary methods of ear cleaning. Wolfson Earwax Removal is easy to use. It contains a detailed and comprehensive clinical instruction manual, making it suitable for adults of all ages and children under surveillance. No more sessions with the doctor. Click Add to Cart for painless, clean ears.